everyone, this is your public school teacher on the web and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you something very personal and something that I'm very obsessed with in the last few years, and that is the use of planners. I've been using planners since high school, and each year it's different every time. And even though I am an advocate of ICT and technology, and I have been using a lot of mobile and online apps to make myself productive, I still cannot let go of using a physical planner. In this video, I'm going to share to you the planner that I've used in 2020 and how it made myself become more productive and organized, and how I am able to manage time well because of the use of these planners. And I'm also be unboxing the planner that I will be using in 2021, which is the Mercury Suki 2021 Daybook. So let's start. So for this year, I have actually used this personal planner that I bought in National Bookstore. This is actually very cheap. I think I bought this at 100 pesos, but it's very functional and it's very helpful for me. So let me show to you a page of my planner. So this is usually how my planner looks like. I get so very busy. The schedules that I have fill in the spaces of my planner. What's nice about this is that there's a monthly planner, but there's also a daily planner as well. There. Okay, so what I do is I just list down the things that I need to do for that day, for example, and if I'm done, I will just highlight them so I will know the things that I have not done yet and the things that I have accomplished. And also there's also a space here where I was able to write down some notes and stuff like that. That's why I love this planner and I have used this for this year. Okay, another planner that I used was given to me by my cousin. This is a weekly planner and there's no date for this. This planner doesn't have a year or month. So it's you can use this anytime, any year, any month. You will just see the dates and the days here. So what I did was that I used this for budgeting, basically budgeting and and for my grocery lists. So that's it. So for 2020, I just used these two planners. Again, this one is for my daily things to accomplish, and then this one is for my grocery lists and my budget. So for 2021, I will be using this Mercury Suki 2021 Daybook. I actually came across with the Mercury Daybooks or planners in 2019, and this is what I got in 2019, the red one. This is Mercury Joyful Daybook 2019, and I came to love the planner, but I was not able to get one this year. I don't know why, maybe I forgot. So when I learned that they already released the 2021 version, then I got one right away. You can get this for 40 points. So if you have a Mercury Suki card and you have 40 points on your Mercury Suki card, you can get this for free. All you have to do is to go to your nearest Mercury branch and ask for the availability of the Daybook, and you just have to exchange your 40 points for this planner. So are you excited? I'm really very excited to unbox this and share this to you and see how the Daybook looks like as compared to the one that I had in 2019. By the way, I still keep all my planners. I don't know why I can't simply throw them away. I still have my planners in the last few years. Okay, so this is the Suki 2021 Daybook. And I did these come in two colors actually. There's a green one and this is the blue one. And I chose the blue one. So you can get this from the box. Ta-da!
A few moments later.
So I have here the Mercury Drug Suki Daybook 2021, and this actually comes in two colors, green and blue, and I got the blue one. You can get this for in exchange of 40 points from your Mercury Drug Suki card. The planner, the Daybook, is actually a planner and notebook in one. And one thing that I really love about this Daybook is that the cover is in matte, so it's very elegant looking. It doesn't look like it's from a drugstore. And then there, that's the front cover. It's very nice. Then the snap is magnetic. There you go. Let's open and see what's inside. We have here the cover, and then the page where you're going to write your personal information and emergency contacts. And we have here some intro about the Daybook. Then we have here the 2020, 2021, 2022 calendar, and we have here list of holidays in 2021. Then you have here your monthly planner. There you go. You can also write some very important reminders at the bottom. So that goes until December. So you have here another intro. Then you have here space for your notes. Okay, so there are some tips here on how you can change the way you save. It's all about savings. Then we also have here how you can save 5K in 31 days. So basically it's like a 31-day 5K challenge. And another space for your notes. In this one are some tips on getting away from negativity. And another tips here for 15 daily mood boosting activities. So we have here practical things that you can do. And then another one are 7 ways to create cherished connections. Sorry about that. And then forming better family bonds. So we have here some activities that you can do with your family. And some more space for your notes. There you go. There is also some tips on how you can have healthy habits in the new normal. And some more. Even a house cleaning planner. There you go. The Daybook is very nice. And then we also have here, what is this? Savings tracker. There you go. Very, very nice. And you have here some directory of Mercury drug stores as well. There, that's the end of that's the last page. And what's nice about this is that the Daybook comes with stickers, so you can design your Daybook. There you go. It's very nice. So again, I'll be using this planner for 2021. You can exchange this for 40 points in Mercury drugstores nationwide.